Hey guys, and welcome back to another TeckWrapCraft video. For today's project, I'll be using two different kinds of vinyl to make this stunning Gemini full wrap for the Starbucks venti cup. All products used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below. So I'll be using the champagne gold glitter vinyl and this peacock blue opal vinyl. I'm also going to use this high-tack transfer tape that is perfect when working on glitter adhesive vinyl. So I just uploaded my SVG design in my design space, and this design that I will be working on is already pre-sized for a venti cup. So here you can see the machine will cut twice for different kinds of vinyls. I'm setting my Cricut machine to Vinyl Plus to cut the peacock blue opal vinyl. And Iron On Plus to cut my champagne gold glitter adhesive vinyl. Now that my first layer is done cutting, I will do the reverse reading technique since this layer has small intricate details. I will place my high-tack transfer tape on top, then I will burnish it with this squeegee. Then I will slowly remove the design from my mat and turn it upside down. Then I will burnish it with this squeegee. And I will slowly remove the backing paper of my vinyl. Then slowly remove the excess vinyl from the tape. And as you can see, the tiny details remain intact. You can always use your weeding tools to help you pop out some unruly vinyls when working with tiny details. Then I'm placing a parchment paper on top of this first layer and will set it aside to work on my second layer. Now I'm placing my peacock blue opal vinyl on my cutting mat, and I will remove the protective layer first before loading it to the machine. Now it's done cutting, time to remove the excess vinyl from the design. I'm using my weeding pen and removing the tiny vinyls out from my design. Now I'm placing my first layer with the parchment paper on top, and I will move it around until I'm happy with the placement of both layers. Then I'm going to slowly remove the parchment paper while pressing the layer on top with my fingers. After completely removing the parchment paper, time to burnish the design together. I'll remove it from the cutting mat to burnish the back part and slowly remove the backing paper. I'm slowly placing my design as centered as possible onto my cup. Before wrapping it completely, I will cut slits on my transfer tape first. Then I'm slowly wrapping my venti cup while pressing the design using my fingers. Then time to burnish the design. Then I'm slowly removing the transfer tape. And now our full wrap is done! If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you on our next video. Bye-bye!